We often view our pets aging as an inevitable march of time, graying muzzles, stiff joints, and fading energy. But what if aging isn't just about the passage of years? What if it's a microscopic battle your pet cells are slowly losing? Today, we're uncovering the unseen enemy driving the aging process: DNA damage. Think of your pet's DNA as an incredibly detailed instruction manual containing over 2 billion letters. Every single day, this manual faces thousands of damaging events from environmental toxins, radiation, and internal cellular errors. When this damage accumulates faster than the body can repair it, it creates genomic instability, which scientists now recognize as a fundamental cause of aging, not just a consequence. The primary culprit behind this internal damage is oxidative stress, essentially cellular rusting. Highly reactive molecules called free radicals generated by normal metabolism and environmental pollutants, constantly attack your pet's cells. They damage the mitochondria and oxidize DNA bases, creating mutations that accumulate progressively with age, particularly in the brain, leading to cognitive decline. While dogs and cats possess sophisticated DNA repair mechanisms, these systems decline with age. Repair enzymes become damaged, and cellular energy drops. When this repair capacity is overwhelmed, damaged cells don't just die, they become senescent zombie cells. These zombie cells secrete inflammatory molecules that actively harm surrounding healthy tissues, accelerating the aging process. This creates a vicious, self-reinforcing cycle of decline that manifests as the visible signs of aging we see in our pets. But understanding this root cause means we can fight back by supporting cellular health and DNA repair. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to read our full scientific guide on protecting your pet's DNA.